Hi there, Collision family. My name's Gregory Silva. I hope to be joining y'all soon with the Collision family. I've been playing drums for 22 years, I believe, here in my hometown of Albuquerque, New Mexico. I've been a part of several projects. Currently, I'm playing in a band, my main band, called Crushed. Has an exclamation question mark on the end. That's how you know it's us. They've been a band for, I think, 13 years now. I've been a part of it for 7 or 8. And we've toured across the United States. I've been to Japan. Hopefully, I'm gonna get to Europe eventually or soon. I'm in another project called Russian Girlfriends. I was a part of a project called Redbush. We just broke up last month, but we did release an EP right before that we all worked on. And you can check all that out on Spotify and everything. I'm also working with a man named Sage Cornelius. He's an electric violinist that he was a solo artist that now is putting a band together to do a lot of metal stuff. So it's very interesting. He's chosen me to be his drummer. So I'm drumming a lot all the time. I've come across these Collision sticks. They're very durable, which is, of course, what I've heard a lot about, and so far they're holding up to what I'm doing, and it's been great. I got the 5Bs specifically with the nylon tips. I like the ping that nylon tips have, and they don't chip, like the wood tips normally do with, sticks. So I like that durability about the nylon tips. The 5Bs specifically, they're a lot sturdier in my hand. They have the weight behind them, so I don't actually have to work hard in order to get the sound that I want out of the drums and the cymbals. So I put in less effort, I get more out of it. It's working out really well for me. I really like what I've got going right now. I'm gonna play a song from my band Crushed for you. It's called Manzano Mirage. It was recorded back, I don't even know, maybe 2018, maybe 2017, I don't remember. But yeah, give it a listen. Hope you enjoy it. Here it goes. So this is the way I play it live. Not the same as the album, but I like it better. So here it goes.